ya fofida adwumayefo nyina ye dani adwumayni wo ye adwuma oje wa home nti ene ye de ato ho se ye nya home na adwuma no mu bi wo ho de a homeji enim sa eso oba ibi ni ye die bebre wo ho ene bebre ko adwuma ya nwanwa se ene ka se wo kuro na mse omunim se na ye holiday ana enso wa nkwa woni atiase nti ko so ahwe Adom TV bedwuma ene kra ye me de impona ofide na beda ha nti saa ya wo ko adwuma ntem ye ba 5:30 enwum saa kranhye ba na nim saba na fe ya sa beginem se busua e de agudie mu nsem health tips Adom online ye bi azum no so etum ne phone line so ti kwasi nsia boati ni do mu achi
afi am nyoso
e bia woko
Yankopon na Adom nyame na Adom sa so hu ye de
Adom
me ma happy May Day, happy workers day happy workers day nkoma adwumani na ye dake echese ampa yenso ye yafam de boasere mbe ya man spit me afa ntoma pa e de afra aman bi nya sa amanfo a wonya ntete yesu ye hunu ebetimi de sa nim de no ba iboa o man no adwuma fm akonya ntimi bie mu no nya adwuma ne bi ne yenso nya adwuma ne bi so ayenso a yemfa akoma pa enyi yem fa nya adwuma no we ni o man nchechire it once again happy workers day koma Ghana adwumani bia ene da kase yemfa enjoy na fia before that be ko bia so mfa na
before train answer na ona se ntesa obeka agu mframa mu kwa
ayeka se me kan yo
ntino adwumayefo yanye ahome na odwumayeni awo my Ghana mu dia pa na nka adwumaye mu no ebi anke koyie mu awo anke ye ya ka wani ebeso edie na ohwa yan asa adwumayefo no nso o my Ghana ya betumi aboa me adwuma akona nimo ensika sem bibia mu obi aye adwumayeni o nya de oye aban adwuma nko a ana bia ankwankwa adwuma bia wa wo ton ade wa wo ye carpenter wo ye sei wo ye de ni nyina onso ubetumi wo ye adwumayeni no ebia enu ti yebekọ na yebeto saa nsem no so na wo ba be hye odwumayeni bi obi ho hu se na adwuma ye ofe so wani pa bonidin bona baso no hu se saa de na me ye no obi ta kire ho a wo hwe ye mobo ye ho abaso na de na o ye no mo na baso na mo wo kanugu na wo nya de a de bia saa ba wo bona baso no nim se obi ti ho no mo bona baso ntia na ye mobo ye ho abaso o ti ase aye mo de ye college na ba zoom fu ye mbombo ya baso saa ntia de munyi ye mfrim omo ba na mo aye fe na mo ya adio na sawa mo sorry ntia de ya baso body de ye gidadada ombe gina so no maka ene bo obi foforo nsu de bo mo abaso ye nkwa Adom online
okay
na ye hwe AMA announces month-long ban on drum and noise making from May 4th. Ntia na ye 1st May. Internet no be da be Monday.
Yeah, be Monday.
Ti from Monday kon boso me ba ko ntwene bonsem bo de
yo won kra ko dwom ya bra. Amamre ne amane. Amamre ne amane.
Sa.
Utu kwan ko bia sa aseso a. O na amamre ne amane ya wo ye. Ti fa okru amamre ne wa amane fa me son na sa ase de so. Ti esi finya me ya ma Monday eko. Ya bra tweneka de yo. Ti enka se untimi enki ka o kakro be si de yo ye ni ba bia de ye ka de da edru tikem no abie
ba ne restaurant na on ba
mo de kwa de
na ye bie nwum e bia osofu bi u preach wa bonte no wa bie ni nyina ye hye no nso asori dem nso ye hye no nso ya mostly e de confusion ba wo hu ni akobi asori dem ne ye kwache wo msa de na nye on se ye nimra so ade na ya Canada ya bo hu da wura nti ade na wo ba ya so brache osi me bie mu kakra
efi yanka na normal circumstance cross sorry ne event grounds no uhia soundproof yes
sa
ba say me no be kan ne board nti na man pen for relax wo ne maso eni kwa se wo ye de wo dem a epie ba bonte
sa
wo betimi a show dem no agye wani a kekemu a na ope bia ba ni kwa se ebe ye disturbance enso de mamia menso na mabonte no why so ba no mo kan enye ntokwa ye ntu omase ye mbrede de yo nase omo so amamre no mo mamane
na nkra no kwa so ye kenye ni nyina nso
ye o be bia wo se o gamashi la ma
o de ye twa so
oh ke me chire mu ama
ba ko ka ba go de to aso ni wati
na ba ba chire na so si twasui fie ma kwa ma men chire kran amamre ne amane ne bia
wo nchire me amamre wo so chire be se me ka se ba bi wo enye ni nyina se the entire greater Accra
chichemu na ore yenko no say me de
oh masa oni me din mu ntime mo say de woni demarcation no but your baby o ho no ma ai omo de
se me nim gamanche na me nim lamanche
boy say wo koso boy
oh afie ma kwa this is serious
enti me de no ai na cocoa buyers divert funds to purchase smuggled beans cocoa buyers ma divert funds na co purchase smuggled beans. Hey, yeah, some.
These ABCs are seven okay. Some going to cocoa. I'm going to cocoa. Or new me the trade yet. You took go
so on your way you more better.
And now they say no. Ghana the end was reaching Ivory Coast. Yes. There might be more talk neighbor for free Ivory Coast. Near beton boarding our Ghana the enemy. Since Ghana the end 2,500. And as Ivory Coast say below 2,000 crab. Okay. To free Ivory Coast no the back Ghana at least so nyamfa so ewo and mo chain.
But my in your business, the man mine sells 100% of first gold output to Gold Board. BOG in historic move. News near NCCA. EMP, engineers and planners. Omo first gold na evidence base egumu kama. And CEO Samija feature mo say we yan $20 e seed na e kaha ye mai mwanko obi aho ye de besi ha ya se ye pese ye ton a aha nti no mfaso no e be kama yi mo nti say ye wo ya dehye Ghana dehye bi omo no madwuma bi ya yen so omo hwe ye mfa gidie ne mpa bonta wo no mochi na eye ye ma ye nyina egunso eguma ye nyina nti ebre no so se wo se ya ye ka positive e ma ye ho ana before na de be ya ne ye ncherishe adekro no a ye bi wa ha no obroni di bi ba ye ba politics net no dan
ya manyo sem net time ya manyo sem okromanom no time na ne man ye time so ye say in people want fight against some companies like this ye nkrofo ni adwuma ye
kasasa
yes. Oh, there be your mama nyame and faman, boni adwuma ye o. Se bi kura ka bi kura betimi aba na ono kura benya adwuma ni bia ye no. Wan so ye your mama nwia de. Oh, the boy pipi ni mi an fama no. Debi ya aban chemfa. Boni adwuma ye. Me see mostly one na ye unemployed. Party full soldiers ye unemployed. And the keke say ye ngu Ghana for nyuma.
It's serious.
It's so sad.
Because here your story business is here manso kaniago many anye the way a minus ne kasa ye no ho many anye ho seriously enye fe
Adom say
oh na mo ba ye ne mo de bebo ani ne saade no
oh is any way come na galamsey for
minus
oh yeah minus
omo ye minus
we come na galamsey for omo le timi ngro for the boy ni
we mo de me sure no omo allege say kofo bi ba ho so omo ye anti illegal mining secretariat for no omo jeje omo ho sika na ne ma bi nti no this time no omo so are ready omo ebe but I don't think say kasasa e kwa say kasasa ai ye ma ye nto ye because we are young okra ai say ye de mo be bo akekere o man nti say aso mo are ready asa mo bon ba be fight wo mo da bi eni kwan se fight wo mo sisia ba akoto sisia ya hwera de kese ti e be sere ni die mo wo ma adwuma no bi anye na adwuma se de ese yenye man na enu ye yenye no wo ba bi ese fata na yekoye wo ba bi enye ese ye nsuo ne de a enu nti ne anti illegal mining secretariat ya de abai ti esere ni die mo mabunu no e wo ho no mo kasa no nyame ani mu ni anhyade ntwaye so ne pani ba kuna video nti munya careful na mukokura nua bi ni ade anye sa mo bi influence o
ave two for need to one na this guy some ye
national
there's only one anti-illegal miners group. Yeah, and now you can say, Mampania Tana, a sanction say, I'm fighting against Galamsey. NIMOS. In collaboration with Water Guards. Water Guards and Chile Galamsey for. Water Guards. One Chile Galamsey for. Wabom Pempe or Yensu, send me here. Who's a consistency agent, so that if he air who sooner, ye 9 months fast to 3. Near be here consistency every honor. If you are national security need, that's our own canine was who need to me be a sober or be as a sort of fighting Galamsey. We are national security, even national security boss. Now one canine was one, the only acceptable group. It's not IGP good Indian because they were conflicted with NIMOS. Yeah, you can't say IGP a good group no. Just there was own canine was one. Munya a chinchini sika muji from Fontaine. Cause any bread is scardy, maybe any breakers say wapa no. There's so own canine was one, and cause I was a juma. Do national security be at Watana? Or national security note didn't be at Watana. O canine was one year that you can go as a team. Marco fight it, a you crofone free baby, any quaso yet, mania warrior. Now, 9 was back. National security back, police for back. Now we saw the match, there be a best out on the bedding. And was it a no 1,000 megawatt power deficit? Okay. Energy Ministry. And as I'm there, say, a Yakosumbono. Was a woman in Sia. As of no, you see a connected in room. Tiakaba, we are say, yes. She, you see, Penny walk no, I'm on a basso. I'm on a basso. Some of the Macase, I enjoy Yameka. Oh, no, but now I'm quiet. Minim, or we born a man. I bet 10 while I'm catching us. I say, I come up to be some accusation. I'm so in your issue statement. I say, a remove no transform and be whack. It mu yes, it would do light and yet, but it's the light in a bano, about low current. Within 1 hour, doom so. Yes, someone. Munum no cra, name. Oh, yeah, sir. And within 2-3 hours, if you would do no crown, I just say. Sally, sir, communication yet, you man, talk about no. Which no. I want on all in a neat night of corner back or no sadie. I think Energy Minister, easy. Oh, yeah, Juma, on the energy sector. More woman no man penny ball. One lady be yes, so I know great cool. Yes, one lady be so national service. About all your national service partner, if you say Juma or no buon penny for you. I course born of Tima Penia Casse and the service we are for the Juma. Oh, yes. So the lady was secure. And no, and no penny catcher, energy minister, and Greek will say, oh, we in the service, name making sure say, that's all no woman will create a process. Yes, your man letter of employment. Nti na workers dey no ebi no ebi ani o okona no koda so a otu okwa onye hwete smart ah excuses nko a national service national service you dey tresu a ye be smart ah oh say no dey adwuma enye national sanity we ye ketewa wo mu a na ohungo ase o bro life obi su enipa bi o ha wo sheda no we take advantage obe smart sa oni pe fe pass o koto gari em bi o koto abra kwesi no asa o ba ye fe eh cha adwene ye makono medi bi ya ye fast so ese ha adwen ese ha ba let the show eni bre yo de shame no ene mampani a recognize say o ye the service ye make sure say you retaining no because of my Ghana here sir. You know, here, you know, my 4 days, you only show. Yes, you did be a mechanic. Only born on your better, sir. No, I hear a crank, me a zoom, and I for 4 days. Let me say, if only your man, I suppose,